Yes,
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Happy to see you all again on this forum of Binder CA Social Group. I welcome you all on behalf of Binder CA Social Group. We have today with us Dr. Khushbu Shah, a daughter of Nitesh Shah, and Advocate KP Dubeji. I welcome both of them along with all of you. Just to give a brief note on CA Social Group, what we are doing, what are our main motto for creating this group. We at Binder CA Social Group are constantly working on the development and betterment of society. We try to take initiative to support all possible for society at large. We formed this group in the year 2018 with the vision to give something back to society. So we are trying our best whenever we get a time, whenever we get the support, whenever we get a proper person. हमेशा एक कुछ ना कुछ नया इनिशिएटिव लेने की कोशिश करते हैं जिससे हम कुछ मेंबर्स को अपने सोसाइटी को कुछ वापस दे सकें. सम ऑफ आवर इनिशिएटिव इंक्लूड्स सम अन्नदान हमने किया था लास्ट ईयर, विद्यादान भी किया था, हमने सीरीज ऑफ लेक्चर्स भी रखे थे, जीवदया कंटिन्यूसली चालू है, प्रोवाइडिंग लेक्चर्स ऑन योगा, हेल्थ इश्यूज, क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस फॉर द हेल्थ. We have organized a series of lecture on advanced Excel, Tally, and many to get update on that. We have organized series of lectures now also, and we are trying our best to get top of our speaker for that. Our society has been honored by Honorable Governor of Maharashtra also in the last month for being a pandemic being a corona warrior on the pandemic. We as a CA group regularly keeping session on accounting, taxation, finance, corporate, and RC. But this social group has tried something apart from that. So those topics which are important for many of us may be used in a regular basis, being a habit on in terms of health. So we are also wanted to put some effort to aware society on the basic rights which Constitution has provided us through various platforms. So in short, this time we have kept a series of sessions on health awareness because health is wealth, and also want to put some focus on legal laws, as ignorance of law is not an excuse. We are this is our tagline for that. Today we have with us Dr. Khushbu on the health is wealth, and on legal side we have Advocate KP Dubeji, who is covering section of check bouncing of 138. Apart from today's session, we are coming with some more session on health is wealth, on legal like oral hygienic, child health care, remedy by physiotherapists, nutrition, right to information act, PG portal, arbitration, conciliation. We are also planning to have some session on handwriting reading, numerology, gardening. So these are the other topics which can be helpful to the society in general as well as in the members of their family and all. So ये थोड़ा सा हमारा एक प्रयास है इस तरह का कि जिससे हम सोसाइटी के उन लोगों को भी टच कर सके जो चीज अपने पास अवेलेबल है लोगों को दे सके. Before I end my word, I would like to welcome our members, WRC member Bimal Agarwal ji. We have with our sitting member of committee member Vijendra Jain ji. I also want to welcome Lalit Bajaj, past chairman WRC, our mentor of profession Lalit ji, Manoj ji, Pramod Damankar ji, Unmesh ji also, Abhishek Tiwari ji also Vasai branch chairman now. So they are the other member who contributing and helping us to grow this social group on the next level. Now we are actually planning to have Chetan Mehta on right now, but because of some Jain issues and fasting problem, he might be joining us later time. So we will honor Chetan Shah in some time back because he has did a very fantastic job on the Corona Warriors period and this pandemic period. We also want to give tribute to our senior member and past chairman of Vasai branch of WRC, Javier Rajan ji. I also wanted to inform our member that our last year we have kept lecture on Tally, who was a Tally guru by Ashwin Dedia ji, which was last year left us in this day. This is the 25th April 2001. Also give a tribute to Ashwin ji, Javier ji, and all our chartered accountant who left us in this pandemic due to Corona and everything. So I would request every participant, every members to keep a moan of 1 minute for all of them before we start our session. Thank you very much. आशा करते हैं उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले. This is from my side. Now giving back to charge to Nitesh Kothari. Please carry on, continue. Nitesh, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Thank you very much, Sandeep bhai.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we would welcome all the members. I also welcome personally Vimal Agarwal ji, the past chairman of WRC and currently RCM of Vasai branch. We also welcome the current secretary of immediate past secretary of Vasai branch, CA Vijendra Jain ji, and also the past convener of Bhinder CA Study Circle, C Nitesh Paisha. So the session for our first session will be on health as well, which will be taken by Dr. Khushbu Nitesh Shah, and second session will be taken by our advocate Dubeji. Both are already online. I also welcome both of them and would like to thank them for accepting our invitation. So with that, I once over hand again to say Sandeep bhai.
Thank you, Nitesh. Now I request Kishore Mehta to kindly introduce our first session's speaker, Dr. Khushbu.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Sandeep bhai, for giving me an opportunity to introduce Dr. Khushbu Nitesh Shah. Dr. Khushbu Nitesh Shah has done her schooling from St. Francis High School, Jessel Park, Bhinder, and done her BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, from CMP Homeopathic College, Vilepale, one of the best colleges in Mumbai. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Please carry.
Okay. See, beside this, she has also done a diploma in nutrition and health education from IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National and Open University. Presently, she is working under Dr. Narendra Mehta, who is a leading and renowned homeopath across the globe. With this, I would like to welcome Dr. Khushbu Nitesh Shah. Ma'am, the dice is yours.
Thank you. Shall I share my screen? I hope I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
So I'll start.
Yes.
So a very good afternoon to all members present over here. I'd like to start with health is wealth, as the topic denotes. Health is wealth. Myself, Dr. Khushbu Nitesh Shah. I'd like to start. First of all, I would like to ask you all, each and every member, one question: why is health important? Health is important because it leads to so much of factors. Earlier, we did not pay much attention to health because the lifestyle, our dietary habits, our mental health were so normal that we did not, there was no need to change, have a change in it. But right now we have sedentary lifestyle, we have dietary changes, we have constantly moved from, the diet which we have to eat at home. We prefer eating out and eating it in 10 minutes, which we have to eat in 30 minutes. Our mental health is not paid much importance because we feel that mental health, मतलब mental retarded जो लोग होते हैं वही psychiatrist के पास जाते हैं. So it is not like that. Changes have to be made for a perfectly healthy human being. Healthy means physical health नहीं होता है. Healthy includes mental health also. There is also need to make changes in sedentary lifestyle. That is not by sitting in front of the desktop all the day, and also changes need to be made in dietary habits and also in mental health. We would like to start with the current and most running topic, that is COVID-19. COVID-19. We all know the precautions we need to take for COVID-19. Like till now, we all know the precautions, the situation, the pandemic, and everything related to COVID-19. Still, why is there so much of anxiety? First of all, we all know that we need to wear masks. We all know that we need to sanitize our hands. We all know that we need to make social distance. We all know all the protocols. We know that after coming from outside, we need to have a bath. We need to make our clothes change. We need to gargle. We need to take steam. Still, there is so much of anxiety. It is because the negative news which is spreading all over the social medias, we are not paying much attention to the positive news. Instead, we don't go to the official sites of WHO, that is World Health Organization, and try to know that what changes have been made since 1 year in this pandemic. Instead, we like to switch on our televisions and like to go on news channels which spread all over the negative news about the government, about the parties, about everything which is related to COVID-19. So shall we start to gain less knowledge? We need not start to gain less knowledge, but we need to start gaining knowledge in a positive manner and not in a negative manner. We need to know that how many cases are being cured daily, which pathis are involved in it, where do you go to find a cure, which doctor you need to recommend, which doctor you need to know if in case you or your family or your known family members have any kind of symptoms. Or we should stop listening to all the videos and audios present on social media. We need not stop to listening all of those, but we need to make a distance. We need to become a person who is not getting much affected by the negative news which is being shared all over the social medias. So what shall we do? As I rightly said, that we need to make a social distance by not getting affected ourselves, our mental health, our physical health by all the negative news which is spreading all over the social media. Due to so much rise in the COVID-19 cases, there are so much of negative news is spread around all of the world, all over the India, that we are not getting positive news. And I request you, all of you, to just pay some attention to the positive news. And I'm very sure that our mental and physical health will be all okay. So what are the symptoms of COVID-19? We all know that patients suffer from fever, fatigue. Fatigue means dizziness, chakkar aana. Sore throat means patients को लगता है कि गले में खटखट हो रहा है, कुछ चुभ रहा है. Mucus production मतलब patients बोलते हैं कि गले में कफ लग रहा है. There is dry cough मतलब सूखा खांसी. Shortness of breath, सांस नहीं ले पाना. Muscle pain, that is body ache मतलब sore लगता है कि हाथ पैर दर्द कर रहे हैं वैसा. So these are the ratios. Like fever is found in 88% of the patients. Fatigue, that is chakkar aana, is found in 38% of the patients. Mucus production 33%, dry cough 68%, shortness of breath in 19%, muscle pain 15%, and sore throat is 15%. I would like to add a note that shortness of breath मतलब लोग बोलते हैं सांस नहीं ले पा रहे. It can be both. It can be physical symptom मतलब COVID-19 का लंग में involvement है, और इट इज अ मेंटल कॉन्कॉमिटेंट बिकॉज जब पेशेंट्स पॉजिटिव होते हैं उनको अपने आप लगता है कि मेरे को सांस चढ़ रही है, मेरा ऑक्सीजन कम हो रहा है. पेशेंट्स कम टू मी एंड टेल मी कि मेरा ऑक्सीजन नॉर्मल है लेकिन मेरे को सांस लेने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है. So the reason is because उनको लगता है कि उनको कोविड हो गया है, तो आगे पीछे सब रिलेटिव्स बोलते हैं देखना ऑक्सीजन कम नहीं हो जाए. So it mentally affects the patient. So आपके आगे पीछे या जो भी है, we need to make a positive environment so that patients को mentally symptoms नहीं है. जो physical symptoms है तो वो है, वो doctors उनका ध्यान रखेंगे, but we need to make it sure that उनको mentally positive symptoms नहीं आ जाए. So precautions of COVID-19, as we all know, still I would like to elaborate on it. Please wear your mask which covers your nose and mouth as well. We cannot wear mask which does not cover our nose because हमको सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है. अगर आपको आज सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, शायद 10 days के बाद आपको ऑक्सीजन भी लग सकता है. So please make it sure that you wear your mask including your nose and mouth. While removing your mask in case of eating or drinking water or anything else, you need to open your mask from the ear. Like, do not remove like this, remove from one ear, have your thing and then put it again. Sanitizing and social distancing is very important, which I would like to make a note of it. Sanitizing hands, sanitizers में भी fraud चल रहा था कि sanitizer को वो लोग बोलते कि use नहीं करना चाहिए because उससे cancer होता है and everything else. I would like to tell you that आप दुनिया में जो भी खा रहे हो, हर एक में कोई ना कोई कार्सिनोजेनिक प्रॉपर्टी है. दैट इज किसी ना किसी से कैंसर आप एक्सेसिव अमाउंट में खाओगे तो वो यूज होने ही वाला है. व्हाट आई फॉलो इज आफ्टर सैनिटाइजिंग हैंड्स आल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू वॉश माय हैंड्स सो दैट केमिकल्स मेरे मुंह में नहीं जाए एटलीस्ट. और बिफोर ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग एनीथिंग यू कैन वॉश योर हैंड्स विद सोप एंड वाटर इंस्टेड ऑफ सैनिटाइजिंग योर हैंड्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेंटेनिंग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट although you are wearing mask. Coming to the most important topic, that is vaccination and COVID-19, I would like to add some most frequently asked questions that are asked by my patients to me. First question is, shall we take the vaccine? I would like to add that you have to take the vaccine. Last year, we all were waiting कि vaccine कब आएगी और कब COVID खत्म होगा. Now we have the vaccine and we are in the question, shall we take the vaccine? I don't know why this question is arising and from where or which people are inculcating those questions. But I would like to answer these questions really very clearly that you have to take the vaccine as the government protocols are there. They are taking the greatest measures they all can and we have to take the vaccine. Is the vaccine safe? Yes, the vaccine is 100% safe. You are contracting the coronavirus because of the crowd that you are facing at the vaccination center and not due to vaccine. Please make it clear. So while getting the vaccine, you need to have your double layered mask, you need to have your gloves, you need to sanitize your gloves as well, and if possible you can wear face shield to protect yourselves. After coming home, after taking the vaccine, you can have a clear bath with warm water and you can gargle with salt water or betadine gargle, whichever you prefer, and take a steam. What will happen if we don't take vaccine? Nothing will happen. अभी भी 1 साल से अपन ने vaccine नहीं लिया है, but the thing is that the pandemic is increasing day by day so much that vaccine is a necessity to end this pandemic. We had so many pandemics earlier, like measles, mumps, chickenpox, everything, which has been resolved by vaccine. What does vaccine do? Vaccine हमको herd immunity देता है. That means that when the 80 or 85% of the population at least is vaccinated, there is no chance to contract or to spread the virus. So we automatically become immune to it and we automatically become COVID free. So we need to take vaccine to protect ourselves, our family, and our members and our society. The greatest question is which vaccine is to be taken. There are many controversies going on social media, on news channels, and everywhere that which vaccine is to be taken, as the government has given us 2 vaccines. First vaccine is Covishield and the second is Covaxin. I would like to make a difference that Covaxin is made up of the virus, the COVID virus is being killed and it is administered into your body. That is Covaxin, okay? And each vaccine, that is Covaxin and Covishield, both need two doses to build up your immunity. That is your antibodies against the virus. Second vaccine is Covishield. Covishield is not made up of the killed coronavirus, but it is made up of the chimpanzees virus. Like chimpanzee में जब सर्दी होता है, उसका virus को लेके it is being chemically derived and then it is put it into our body. What does Covishield do? Because वो chimpanzee से बना होगा तो आप लोग पूछेंगे कि chimpanzee से बना तो हमारा क्या काम है उसमें? The both chimpanzee में जो सर्दी होता है वो वाला virus and the coronavirus, they both are same, almost same in their chemical properties and the biochemical properties. So what happens is कि Covishield में जब अपने body में वो जाता है, कोरोना वायरस के ऊपर एक स्पाइक प्रोटीन करके चीज होती है, कोविशील्ड जाके उसको प्रोड्यूस करता है अपने बॉडी में. So whenever after getting 2 doses and after getting antibodies in our body, whenever after that we come in contact with the COVID, the spike proteins which are being held through the virus, it rises and it kills the virus without us getting symptomatic, so shall that we cannot infect others also due to that. So this is the mechanism of the vaccine. Same is with Covaxin. जो किल्ड वायरस है वो अंदर जाता है, उसके अगेंस्ट बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज बनता है. व्हाट आर एंटीबॉडीज? एंटीबॉडीज में कैसा होता है कि जब आपकी बॉडी में कोई भी फ्लू हुआ है, आपको कोई भी बीमारी होती है, जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना कि चिकन पॉक्स एक बार हो गया तो बार बार नहीं हो सकता है. व्हाई इज इट सो? बिकॉज चिकन पॉक्स अगर एक बार हो गया तो अपने बॉडी में 2 लिम्फोसाइट्स होते हैं. आई वुड नॉट गो इन मच डिटेल, बट टी लिम्फोसाइट करके होता है जो उसमें मेमोरी होता है, जो बोलता है दैट द बॉडी, द टी लिम्फोसाइट रिमेंबर्स कि ये वायरस पहले आ चुका है बॉडी में एंड आई हैव टू अटैक एंड आई कैन नॉट मेक माय ओन बॉडी सफर फ्रॉम इट अगेन. सो सेम होता है कोवैक्सीन में. जब वो वायरस अंदर जाता है, द एंटीबॉडीज गेट क्रिएटेड अगेंस्ट इट एंड सो आफ्टर 2 doses of vaccination, जब हम कांटेक्ट में आते हैं कोरोना वायरस के, द एंटीबॉडीज गेट स्पाइक्ड अप, इट किल्स द वायरस अगेंस्ट, and so we do not get contracted by the virus, and so we cannot infect others also. This is the mechanism. Question number 5, is it okay to take only 1 dose? There are many research going on कि 1 dose के बाद भी there is formation of antibodies in our body. So some doctors what they do कि for 1 dose के बाद they get their self tested with antibody test of coronavirus. If the antibodies are present, they take the second dose after 2 months or 3 months. If they don't get the antibodies, they take the dose after required amount of days, which is held for each vaccine. It is different. Like for Covaxin, it is 30 days, and for Covishield, it is 45 to 60 days. Is it okay if we switch vaccines? Example, that if you take first dose of Covishield, is it okay to take second dose of Covaxin? Still, the question is 50-50 because the research is going on in many states, in many countries all over the world. That is it okay to take 1 Pfizer and 1 Covishield or 1 Covishield and Covaxin? Till date, we don't know the answer. So it is better to follow the government's protocol and better to take the vaccine second dose, which you take off the first. Like first dose अगर आपने Covishield लिया है तो second dose का भी Covishield का ही ले, and henceforth vice versa. COVID post-vaccination. So the question is it possible to get COVID post-vaccination? It is very much possible that you can get COVID after vaccination also. You cannot roam around the society or the roads by telling कि आपने vaccination का 2 dose ले लिया है, आप में antibodies है, and so you need not wear mask. ऐसा नहीं है. So you have to take all the precautions and you have to take all the protocols. You need to take measure of it. But कैसा है that after getting vaccinated, chances of getting the severity of COVID, like ventilator पे जाना और oxygen saturation कम होना, it is less likely to be held. So it is better to take vaccination to keep you and your family safe. Just as people do suffer with tuberculosis even after taking BCG, we all have taken the vaccination for TB, that is tuberculosis, in our childhood. ठीक है ना, BCG vaccination देते हैं अपन tuberculosis के लिए. Still we suffer with tuberculosis and still India is the leading country to get tuberculosis. We all have got vaccinated, still we get, but still हम लोग तो दे रहे हैं ना vaccine. So ऐसा नहीं है कि vaccination के बाद बीमारी होती ही नहीं है. It is like the efficacy and the severity is less. Vaccination is helping us getting the fatal rates getting low, which is 110% very, very, very sure. The amount of people suffering COVID post-vaccination is less and not absent. Kindly note the difference. Post-vaccination, also, the same protocols have to be followed to prevent yourself and your family from COVID-19. Anxiety related to COVID-19. There is so much of anxiety that people call me at 3 a.m. and ask कि COVID हो गया तो. People say कि हम contact में आए थे COVID positive patient के, so what to do? And with anxiety, they develop all the symptoms, and then after testing, they test negative. So please do not do that. Anxiety related to COVID-19 is very common because the environment among us or around us is very, very likely to get anxious. But we need to control our emotions and our mental health through meditation, through yoga, through physical activity, and of course, by avoiding all the negative news and by taking a break from social media, please. So, treatment of COVID-19. We all have got some or the other forward or WhatsApp messages or Instagram or FB messages reconnecting with that they need oxygen, they need remdesivir, they need tocilizumab, they need any kind of injections. Please help, please help, please help. By reading those questions, within 1 minute, you develop anxiety कि यार हमको हो गया तो. So please, अगर आप ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहे हो और फॉरवर्ड पढ़ रहे हो, if you can help, please help. But if you cannot, do not let your mental health get affected. It's a request. Treatment guidelines have been received by every practicing doctor, and each one is trying his or her best to save the human life or the patient. Do not ignore any symptom of COVID-19. The new symptoms include conjunctivitis, that is aankh aana. There are also rashes experienced by the patients, that is rash कैसे आ जाता है हमको तो लोगों को लगता है कि समर के rashes है, but ऐसा नहीं है. It can be due to COVID-19 also. COVID-19 and flu symptoms are same but different at the same time. हमको लगता है वायरल है, बुखार आया तो वायरल ही होगा. जैसे अगस्त में जो पीक आया था last year in 2020, people were considering that it is due to rainy season because the fever, the cough, the coryza, जो भी सर्दी है, it is all same which mimics the flu symptoms. But please you get yourself tested because flu अगर हो गया तो आप बच सकते हो, but COVID-19 अगर ignore किया गया तो आप और आपकी फैमिली दोनों प्रॉब्लम में आ सकते हैं. So please don't ignore, and please don't ignore the tests that are being recommended to you by your doctors. उनको बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आ रहा है आपको इतने पैसे में डालने और ये सब डालने में, but it is for your safety. Different pathies related to COVID and its treatment are involved, that is homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, and Unani. Every treatment or every pathy has its own treatment, has its own guidelines to treat all the patients of COVID-19, and each and everyone is trying their best to save the patients of human life. So please, you can contact each and every doctor which is around you. अगर आपको कोई symptom है, you did not rush to any of the hospital कि please अभी तो bed चाहिए because COVID के ही symptoms है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You can contact your nearby doctor. Maybe it could be viral, it could be flu, or it could be anything else which you can get yourself tested and then land up in hospital if required. So talking about diet in relation to COVID-19, as our main concern today is COVID-19, I would like to add some dietary changes which you all can implement in your diet daily. That is, increase your protein intake to get more energy. We have been told कि carbohydrates बहुत important होते हैं, जैसे गेहूं, बाजरी, जवार, ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट इंडियन डाइट में दाल रोज पी जाती है, बट क्यों पी जाती है वी डोंट नो. Dal is the major source of protein all the vegetarian people can have, as we have the majority of the people vegetarians here. So I've included only the vegetarian protein sources. So it includes, यहाँ पे 22 है I think so, but majorly you can have paneer, you can have your dahi daily in lunch, you can have almonds, that is badam, अखरोट, walnuts, peanut butter, और खाली सिंग भी खा सकते हो. It is a good source of protein. You can have dal daily, you can have curd daily, and tofu, that is पनीर का अलग sort का रहता है, वो होता है, और flax seeds भी आते हैं. पिस्ता, I think so इतना enough होना चाहिए. There are so many lists here, but I guess इतना भी include किया, you will have a majority of the protein in your diet. Vitamins, the most important vitamin for fighting against COVID-19 is vitamin C. हम लोग सब सुन रहे हैं कि विटामिन सी के टैबलेट्स लेने चाहिए, विटामिन सी लेना चाहिए, नींबू पानी लेना चाहिए, बट वी डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज. So here it is that the benefits of vitamin C rich foods is that it acts as an antioxidant. That means कि बॉडी में जब डिहाइड्रेट होता है बॉडी विटामिन सी बचाता है. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में प्रमोट स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यून सिस्टम. जब आपकी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम वीक होती है विटामिन सी कवर्स अप एंड इट ट्राइज. अगर विटामिन सी के सोर्सेज आपकी बॉडी में बहुत हैं, इट विल ट्राई टू हेल्प योर इम्यून सिस्टम गेट बूस्टेड अप एंड यू विल नॉट सफर एनी इलनेस. सो इन केसेस जब हमको सर्दी या कुछ होता है, वी आर हमको बोला जाता है कि नींबू पानी ज्यादा पियो, रेस्ट लो, नींबू पानी पियो. द रीजन इज नींबू पानी चक्कर के वजह से नहीं, नींबू पानी विटामिन सी सोर्स के वजह से दिया जाता है, सो दैट आवर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम गेट्स बूस्टेड अप. It also supports nerve cell maintenance. That's okay. We need to keep ourselves very hydrated. As it is a summer season, there are likely chances to get dehydrated. Due to dehydration, we can suffer from diarrhea, we can suffer from loss of appetite, we can suffer from dry cough or coryza, sardi, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So it is very important to keep yourself hydrated. Hydrated मतलब सिर्फ पानी पीना नहीं होता है. पानी में you can include anything like your juices, your water, your छाछ, everything like juice भी पी सकते हो. बोलते ना juicy जो fruits होते हैं like strawberry, टमाटर, cucumber, you can include any sort of fruits, watermelon, everything which gives you maximum juicy or water content to keep yourself hydrated. COVID-19 and other pathies. So I'll talk about my experience. I have experienced working with my senior professor at Prabhat Hospital, providing patients with both homeopathy and allopathic treatment. The results are not known to people because they are not published, and we need to trust doctors. Coming to the first point, I have worked with my senior professor and I have seen patients getting allopathy and homeopathy at the same time. पेशेंट्स जिनको सिर्फ एलोपैथी दिया जाता था. एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, नो ट्रीटमेंट कैन बी अवॉइडेड. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सिर्फ होम्योपैथी से पेशेंट ठीक हो सकते हैं या सिर्फ एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट से पेशेंट ठीक हो सकते हैं. वी नीड टू फॉलो अ इंटीग्रेटिव सिस्टम वेयर होम्योपैथी एंड एलोपैथी both can work and its own pace. Homeopathy will take care of all your fevers, of all your weakness, of all your immune system. Allopathic treatment तभी ही काम करेगा जब आपका immunity system strong होगा. अगर आपका immunity system strong नहीं होगा, allopathic treatment won't work. So हम लोगों को बोला जाता है mentally strong रहना, डरना नहीं, हम सब तेरे साथ है. It requires mental boosting. That is received by homeopathy automatically. Homeopathy दिखता है बहुत छोटा साबुदाने का गोली, but it is not very minute. The doses are of course minute, but the action of homeopathy is very wide. So I'd like to discuss about it that homeopathy and allopathy both जब काम करते हैं एक साथ, it gives phenomenal results. I have treated my one patient along with homeopathy and allopathy, and she got herself tested negative within 4 days. First day she told me कि मेरे को नहाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा सर चक्कर आ रहा है, मेरे को उठने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है. Second day she told me that she took a bath. Third day she told me she's absolutely fine and she would like to get her self tested for the negative reports. And fourth day her reports were negative. She did not take homeopathy ever in her life, and she was so shocked that whosoever was getting admitted there, she was giving her my contact to each and every patient कि please इनसे बात करो और homeopathic दवाई लो. So I'm not boasting myself, I'm boasting homeopathy, that please, if any of your patients, if any of your family members, of any known people is getting positive, please tell them that homeopathy and allopathic treatment will work great if they both take it. If they take it both, sorry. We need to trust doctors. We need to trust each and every doctor. डॉक्टर को मजा नहीं आ रहा है कि वो ज्यादा चार्ज करे या वो कुछ भी काम करे, 10 दिन का 12-14 घंटा ड्यूटी करके वो सब पेशेंट्स का सुने, उनको बिल्कुल भी मजा नहीं आ रहा है. So we need to trust doctors that they are trying their very best knowledge to treat us and our family members. In case of any symptoms, do not panic and rush to hospitals. Contact your nearest doctors or your family physician and know all about your symptoms. Ignorance. We are facing the situation where patients are neglecting their own health. Negligence of being tested. अगर बुखार आ रहा है 3 दिन से तो भी मन में है कि कोविड हो सकता है बट मानना नहीं है कि कोविड है. सो वी टेल कि ठीक है ना वायरल होगा तो एक काम करते सीआरपी और ईएसआर करवा देते लेकिन आरटीपीसीआर नहीं करवाएंगे. So which is a very negative approach. If you are facing any of the symptoms of COVID-19, please get yourself tested because अगर आप पॉजिटिव हैं तो सिर्फ आप क्वारंटाइन होंगे तो काम हो जाएगा, बट अगर आपने डिले किया तो आपके साथ आपकी फैमिली भी चपेट में आ जाएगी. सो प्लीज. Fear of getting admitted. Patients with CT score on CT scan value of 17 or 18, above 8 of CT scan value, CT score of CT scan value is very dangerous. And 17 score pe bhi people tell me with oxygen saturation of 80 and 85, they tell me that they don't want to get admitted. I don't understand why are people taking risk of their own health. Fear of getting tested positive and fear of being away from family. I understand being Indians, we like to be with our family. We are not, used to of being away from the family, especially when we are sick. So we are very used to it, but we need to break the barriers to get ourselves treated first and take care of our family members also. So please do not ignore your initial symptoms as it will lead to more problems to you and your family. The scope of homeopathy, we have a very good scope and good prognosis in relation to COVID and homeopathy. We need to understand that no pathy is perfect, nor allopathy is giving us all the results. Remdesivir is still under trial, but we have seen that patients are getting less chronic or less severe with remdesivir injections. Simple language में जो 5,000 वाले 6 इंजेक्शन देते हैं ना, that is remdesivir injections. So it is very important for us to understand that no pathy is perfect, but each pathy is trying their best to get out of the whole society, the whole humanity, out of the COVID-19 situation or the pandemic. Integrated system, that is homeopathy plus allopathy or Ayurveda and allopathy, will help us to defeat COVID-19. So talking about homeopathy, Mahatma Gandhi has quoted that homeopathy cures a larger percentage of cases than any other method of treatment and is beyond all doubt safer, more economical, and the most complete medical science. Homeopathy. Talking about homeopathy, a science which was found by Dr. Hahnemann, who was practicing allopath himself, and while translating some book, he experimented and he found the homeopathy, and so he's the founder of homeopathy. It is not just the Sabudana Goli to humankind, but a blessing in itself. How does homeopathy work? And why is everyone given the same white colored pills, and is homeopathy a placebo effect? So coming to the first question, how does homeopathy work? होम्योपैथी में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत माइन्यूट डोज यूज होता है. देर आर मेनी मेडिसिन्स बट द कंटेंट बोलते हैं ना, एक सोर्स होता है और एक मेडिसिन पार्ट होता है. सो द व्हाइट कलर्ड पिल्स आर द सोर्स. सो एवरीवन इज गिवन द व्हाइट कलर्ड पिल्स, बट जो ड्रॉप्स उसमें डालते हैं दैट इज द मेन मेडिसिन एंड इट इज वेरिड फ्रॉम पेशेंट टू पेशेंट. अगर आपको फीवर है, सपोज ए पेशेंट को फीवर है और बी पेशेंट को फीवर है और सी पेशेंट को भी फीवर है, अगर एलोपैथी होगा तो ए बी सी तीनों को पैरासिटामोल दिया जाएगा टू कंट्रोल द फीवर लेवल्स. बट इन केस ऑफ होम्योपैथी आई नीड टू टेक अ केस हिस्ट्री ऑफ ए बी एंड सी, and it is possible that 3 of them will get different medicines according to their body type, according to their immunity levels, and according to all the criteria that homeopathy has given us. So is homeopathy a placebo effect? लोग बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ साबुदाना गोली देते हैं व्हाइट कलर का जो होता है. there is no medicine involved, because after, अगर आप में से किसी ने लिया है homeopathic medicines, after 3-4 days the liquid in it dries up, and so you feel that medicine उसमें नहीं बचा है, but it is not like that. The white colored pills totally absorbs the liquid particle, the liquid medicine, and it is still effective as earlier as day 1, and it is still effective at day 90 also. Is homeopathy slow? लोगों, आप कहीं भी जाओगे, so it is very common myth that homeopathy तो slow ही काम करेगा क्योंकि वो जड़ से निकालता है. वो जड़ से जरूर निकालता है, but it is not slow. If you compare it with allopathy, आप स्लो बोल सकते हो, बिकॉज एलोपैथी में अगर आपने अभी पैरासिटामोल लिया तो 1 आवर में आपका फीवर उतर जाएगा, बट होम्योपैथी में भी आपका फीवर उतरेगा, बट धीरे धीरे उतरेगा। अगर 100 है तो आपका 99 होगा, 98 होगा, फिर 97 पे आएगा। एलोपैथी अगर आपने लिया तो वो 100 से सीधा 96 पे आ जाएगा। सो होम्योपैथी डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट, ईच पति वर्क्स इन इट्स डिफरेंट पैटर्न, सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। But homeopathy is definitely not slow. I have myself treated patients by telling them to sit for about 10 minutes after administration of medicine and tell me and note me the difference. One patient I had treated, she was getting fever. 10 minutes के बाद मैंने बोला कि आप बाहर बैठो केबिन में and मुझे बताओ क्या क्या changes है, and she told me that after 10 minutes she's feeling sleepy. The reason is we in homeopathy consider the general condition of the patient. General condition includes appetite, thirst, sleep. अगर ये तीनों आपका normal है, the body will automatically heal everything. So you need a right doctor, a right medicine to treat you or cure you, and hence homeopathy is perfect. So why is there so much of long case history in homeopathy? Homeopathy works on the concept of law और लॉ ऑफ इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन। जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि अगर ए बी सी तीनों को फीवर है, मैं तीनों का अलग से हिस्ट्री दूंगी टू नो देम, टू नो देयर टाइप, टू नो देयर सिम्टम्स, बिकॉज तीनों को फीवर आया, बट एक को शायद क्लास में डांट पड़ी उसके वजह से फीवर आया, बी को शायद कोविड की वजह से फीवर आया, और सी को शायद मलेरिया हो गया तो फीवर आया। मलेरिया हुआ वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, मलेरिया क्यों हुआ वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो मलेरिया बॉडी cells might have fought with malarial cells, but वो नहीं fight कर पाए because of low immunity. So we try to understand where did the immunity got low, and we need to treat that, so the patient will automatically get treated. So law of similars, which means that your symptoms are being matched among the more than 1,000 number of medicines, and according to the similarity seen by your physician, medicine is being administered. Thus, it is important for you to give all the accurate and right answers to your homeopath to treat yourself with more speedy recovery. Some take-home messages I would like to add for COVID-19 situation. Normal value of oxygen saturation is above 95 or 95 to 100. 95 to 90 oxygen saturation is worrisome and you need to be alert. That means you need to keep checking your oxygen level, whether it is dropping or no. Below 90, patient needs medical intervention and has to be taken to the hospital without any delay. The CT value of RT-PCR, that is the standard test for COVID-19, and CT value of HRCT, that helps to get the severity of COVID involvement in lungs, is different. CT value RT-PCR की कैसे होती है कि if the CT value of RT-PCR is above 28, maximum is 34, but अगर 28 और 34 के बीच में आता है, the patient, अगर मैं पॉजिटिव हूं और अगर मेरा CT value is 30, that is between 28 to 34, I'm less likely to infect my other 3 members of the family. So it means that 28 to 34 के बीच में अगर आपका RT-PCR का CT value है, you are likely to get less infected yourself and you cannot infect others also. And CT value of HRCT is that, बोलते हैं ना कि उसका 3 स्कोर आया सिटी स्कैन में, 5 स्कोर आया, 8 स्कोर आया, 17 स्कोर आया, so the maximum is 24 scores. So they measure your right and left lung, और lungs में अलग अलग lobes होते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से they differentiate, they divide and they tell us the values. So if the value is 0 to 8, 0 to 3 is absolutely normal, 3 to 8 is the patient is COVID positive but can get home quarantine and get settled. 8 to 17 के बीच में the patient is in moderate condition, and 17 to 24 or 18 to 24 the patient is in severe condition of COVID-19. Do not hesitate to narrate any of your symptoms to your doctor with the fear of COVID-19. प्लीज ऐसा मत करना कि अगर आपका टेस्ट और स्मेल गया है फिर भी आप डॉक्टर को सिर्फ फीवर के बारे में बता रहे हो. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. यू आर निग्लेक्टिंग योर ओन लाइफ, सो प्लीज डू नॉट डू इट. रिमेंबर, दिस फियर कैन लीड टू लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशंस. Again, coming to the take-home message, try to sleep on your stomach. This is for all the COVID positive patients. Try to sleep on your stomach, which will help to get your normal oxygen saturation levels. That is pronation situation में सोना है. अगर आप पीठ के बल सोते हो तो आपको stomach के बल, that is पेट के बल सोना है for 10 to 15 minutes. The position is given in the medical textbooks that can improve your oxygen saturation levels. So even if you are COVID positive, and even if you are having normal saturation levels, it is better that you sleep for 10 to 15 minutes on the pronation position, that is on your stomach, for better health. Test your oxygen saturation value minimum for 3 times a day after a 6 minutes walk test. If after a 6 minutes walk test, your saturation drops to below 95, seek medical advice. 6 minutes walk test is recommended to all the COVID positive patients. आपको 6 मिनट तक चलना है और फिर आपका ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर से चेक करना है. If it is below 95, you need to take medical advice from your doctor with whom you're getting treated. The virus stays in your body for minimum of 10 days. After 10 days, quarantine 14 days का बोला गया है, because 10 to 14 days के बीच में virus gets killed in your body. You may not test negative after 14 days, but between 10 to 14 days, the virus will get killed in your body, so you cannot infect others. So the virus stays in your body for minimum of 10 days. So eat well, because virus utilizes all your food to get energy. So eat more to keep yourself healthy. Do not dehydrate yourself. It will lead to more complications. Stay away from negative news. After being tested negative, still continue wearing mask, sanitizing, and maintaining all your social distance. For any queries, you can contact me, and this is my mobile number. You can just take a screenshot of it, 808-202-7175. Thank you, and thanking the Bhainder CA Social Group for giving me this opportunity, and thanking the prime movers, that is CA Sandeep Jain, CA Nitesh Kothari, CA Amit Agarwal, and CA Nikunj. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nikunj. Sorry. Thank you, Khushbu. It was a fantastic session. All the members have actively participated and listened to your voice. They definitely take benefit out of it in routine course. There are so a lot of doubts must have been cleared in this session. So there are some questions also there. Akash, are you there? Akash?
Yes, Sandeep bhai.
Yeah. Please go through some of the questions which we get clarity from the question.
There was one question asked in my chat
Okay.
box.
Okay.
The question is, can I take vaccine if I am taking anxiety medicine?
Yes, definitely you can take vaccine. And I would like to add that if you're taking vaccine, anxiety medicine, please refer to homeopathy, because you'll get treated very faster. Because anxiety medicine has got no end in allopathy. So I would recommend you homeopathic medicines.
There is one more question I have in the chat box. When to take vaccine? That is, if you are not well, if anyone positive in your family, if you have headache, cough, cold, etc.
Okay, so I would like to add here that once you get asymptomatic, like your headache, your cough, and your cold goes away, you can take the vaccine immediately after that. The reason is to get yourself asymptomatic is that your immunity is already low. So when the new virus or new anything enters your body, the body has to accustom itself. So it is better that if you get asymptomatic and then you take the vaccine, it will be more preferable.
Anybody has any question? So we are keeping this chat box open for 1 minute more. If you have,
Sandeep bhai, there are two more questions over there.
yeah, please ask.
First is, if I tested positive after first dose, when can I take second dose?
Okay, so if you have got tested after positive after first dose, आपके negative test होने के 15 days बाद you can take your second dose.
Okay.
But
Second question
there is also just a question. You can get yourself tested with the antibody test after 15 days, because if there are antibodies in your body, you can still delay your second dose, because वैक्सीन का एक ही काम है कि आपको वो एंटीबॉडीज दे. अगर आपके बॉडी में वो ऑलरेडी इन्वॉल्व है, so you can avoid the crowd right now in the current situation, and you can delay your second dose in case you have antibodies. But after getting tested, you need to get yourself tested for the antibodies. If you are getting yourself tested for antibodies positive, then you can delay your vaccine of second dose. Otherwise, you need to take it as soon as possible.
Second question is, can we take vaccine if have treated with brain tumor?
Yes, definitely you can trick. If you have been treated with brain tumor, you are absolutely in your most allied health, that is physical and mental health, so you can take your vaccine. There's no issue with it.
No more questions here.
Khushbu, there is one question came to me. How
Yes.
to protect children? Has second wave is impacting children also? Second wave, I think has second
Yes.
wave is impacting children also. Is there anything specific as there is no vaccine for children?
There is no vaccine for children because they are getting, they have the greatest immunity in themselves.
Okay.
So the first thing is that you need, if they are going outside the house for playing or anything, because their physical health has got deteriorated like anything in this 1 year situation. So if you're getting them to get played or नीचे जा रहे हैं अगर वो लोग, you can tell them please mask पहनो और please sanitize करो. Second thing, you can take care of their dietary situation. Like मैंने जैसे बोला कि विटामिन सी दो, नींबू पानी दो, chewable tablets मत दो, नींबू पानी दो. They will enjoy it more than having those tablets. Give them paneer ka things which is made up of vegetables which they will like with taste, and they will have proteins also in their diet. चीज दो, पनीर दो. So dietary अगर हो रहा है और अगर protocols follow हो रहे हैं, I think so there is no harm to children as such.
I have one question, Kushbuji.
Yeah, please. Hello?
Kushbuji, right now we have only two. Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Please carry
Yeah,
on, Nitesh.
Kushbuji. Yeah, right now we have only two vaccines. There is Covaxin and Covid.
Yeah,
But in
Covishield,
future,
yeah.
many more vaccines are also coming. So which one is good one for the members, like between the age of 18 to 45?
वैक्सीन अभी दो हैं. दो के ऐसा है कि ये क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन है. So I would like to tell you once again that both vaccines are equally effective. There are many trials and many, बहुत error tire measure पे चल रहा है. अगर वैक्सीन एक भी खराब होती तो गवर्नमेंट उसको लॉन्च ही नहीं करते इंडिया में. दिस इज द फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ईच एंड एवरी डोज ऑफ पीपल गेटिंग वैक्सीनेटेड. सो अगर वैक्सीन खराब होती तो 3-4 मंथ्स में हमको पता भी चल जाता कि वैक्सीन खराब है. बट इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. वैक्सीन खराब नहीं है. The situation, the crowd is getting so much of crowded. There is no maintenance of social distancing. Thus, people are contracting coronavirus from the crowd. So, as I said in my PPT also, please wear mask and get yourself with gloves of hands and sanitization so that you can protect yourself from the crowd by taking vaccine also. Both vaccines are safe. So, जो भी मिल रहा है ले लो. Both are safe.
I think some member has raised hand. Monica Sen Gupta and one is Jyoti Mehta. They have any questions? I think. Can you unmute Monica Sen Gupta and Jyoti Mehta? Akash.
Sandeep bhai.
They wanted to ask any question. I don't know. Hello, Monica ji.
Yes, I'm audible.
You wanted to, yeah. You want to ask question?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Khushbu,
please go.
first of all, Khushbu, thank you for such a wonderful session. And second thing, I just want to know, just you said about the vitamin C. So what is the recommended dose? What I know, like it's 600 mg for adults. So kids also can have the same amount of vitamin C or lesser, like.
Vitamin C is like, as I rightly said, you can give your children नींबू पानी, give them आंवला. सी हम लोग है ना कैसा कर रहे हैं पता है कि प्रोटीन कैल्शियम का जरूरत नहीं है ज्यादा नाचने और तिल खाने का. एक काम करते कैल्शियम का टैबलेट ले लेते हैं. तो ये सब हम लोग है ना हमारे बच्चों को भी आदत डाल रहे हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. बच्चे हैं, गिव देम नींबू पानी, गिव देम आंवला, गिव देम सोर्सेज व्हिच आर रिच इन विटामिन सी rather than giving them the tablets, so that they will adapt to the taste and they will develop a healthy lifestyle in their future life.
Okay, one more question I have. Since government has announced that vaccine will be given 18 above, one
Yes.
message is circulating in WhatsApp continuously that girls and ladies during their periods and before and after, they can't take the vaccine.
It is fake. It is fake.
It's fake, no?
Yeah, yes.
Fine, that's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Jyoti Mehta, you want to ask question? Okay, I don't think
Hello.
so. Yeah, please carry on.
Yeah, it was a very nice session, very informative. I wanted to ask, once we take the vaccine,
Yes.
it develops immunity for COVID,
Yes.
but does it suppress the natural immunity of the body for other disease which we have?
No, definitely not. अगर ऐसा होता, so we have taken so many vaccines in our childhood for BCG, for mumps, MMR, measles, mumps, rubella, BCG, tuberculosis, सबके लिए हमने वैक्सीन लिया हुआ है. तो by the time अगर हमारा immunity low हो रहा होता, we have been, हमारे अंदर सिर्फ diseases ही होती, because इतनी सारी वैक्सीन लिए हमने. So it is not the case. The immunity is definitely not getting suppressed. In fact, your immunity is so strong कि अगर कुछ body में अंदर आ रहा है, it is getting itself accommodated with it and आपको बचा रहा है वो कोरोना वायरस से. So please take vaccine.
Okay, thank you.
Great. So thank you very much once again, Khushbu, for your large session. Most of the member have got clarified from doubts. Now I request
Thank you so much.
Vasai branch past secretary Vijendra Jain to give a formal vote of thanks to conclude this session. After that, we will have the session of Dubeji. Vijendra ji, over to you for vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon. Thank you, Bhinder CA Social Group, for giving me the opportunity for giving the formal vote of thanks for the first session. Dr. Khushbu Shah, होम्योपैथी डॉक्टर मैम, सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. आपने सारी चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से, एलोपैथी और होम्योपैथी के बीच में क्या फ़र्क है, एक जो हम दूसरी गोलियां खाते हैं और एक वाइट गोली जो हम उसके साथ खाते हैं बिना नुकसान है, उसमें क्या फ़र्क है, कौन सा विटामिन कौन सा बढ़िया है, कौन सी इम्यूनिटी बढ़िया है, आपने सारी चीज़ों को बड़े विस्तार से हम लोगों को समझाया है. हम बहुत बहुत आपके आभार है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है. भाईंदर सोशल ग्रुप ने ये पहला प्रोग्राम इस सेकंड पैंडेमिक में बहुत नीड इन आवर टॉपिक दिया है, और सबसे ज़्यादा हम साधुवाद और धन्यवाद है हमारे पास कन्वीनर नितेश भाई शाह के, क्योंकि उन्होंने भी फर्टर्निटी को बहुत सर्व किया है और उसी पद्धति से उन्होंने आज हमारे सीए लोगों के बीच में आपको हमारे बीच में लाए हैं. तो हम नितेश भाई को भी बहुत बहुत थैंक्स देते हैं. रीजनल काउंसिल मेंबर और पास्ट चेयरमैन रीजनल काउंसिल मेंबर विमल जी अग्रवाल, आपने बहुत अच्छे से हम लोगों को बताया, और हमारे आज कॉन्डोलेंस, हमने पूरा 1 साल हो गया है, हमने उनको भी टेली ग्रुप को याद किया, हमारे पास्ट चेयरमैन जेवेद जी को हमने याद किया. भाईंदर सोशल ग्रुप में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि काम करने में जो पॉजिटिविटी है, पॉजिटिविटी से इतना अच्छा वातावरण हो जाता है कि हम सब ज्वाइन करने पे मजबूर हो जाते हैं. तो जितने भी लोग ये प्राइम मूवर्स है, सीनियर्स इन द प्रोफेशन से, माय कलीग्स इन द वसई ब्रांच, थैंक्स टू यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग ओवर देयर. एंड खुशबू जी, आपने बहुत अच्छे से सेशन लिया है. मैं खुद आपसे पर्सनली नितेश भाई से बात करूंगा, क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ ने ज्वाइन किया है, मेरी वाइफ को काफी 5-7 क्वेश्चन है, तो डेफिनेटली मैं करूंगा. आपने वैक्सीन को भी, आपने मोदी गवर्नमेंट को भी बहुत अच्छे से मोटिवेट किया. दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द, बिकॉज आपने क्या मोदी जी को इतना अच्छे से ऑप्टिमिस्टिक बताया कि भाई कोई भी वैक्सीन आई है, वो वैक्सीन इतनी अच्छी क्योंकि वो गवर्नमेंट ने टेस्ट किया हुआ है. तो दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द डॉक्टर, दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द लीडर. Kudos to you, thanks to you, thank you Bhinder CA Social Group for giving me the opportunity, and we wish you the pray to the God healthy and wealthy forever. Thank you Khushbu Bain, and thank you Nitesh Bhai sir, and thank you Sandeep Bhai. Thank you, over to you.
Thank you sir, thank you Vijendra for your kind words. I want to acknowledge the presence of C. Amar Kakaria ji, who is a good supporter of Bhinder Social Group. He always with us and supporting us in each and every aspect. Now we have with us for second session Advocate